Hey guys, Sniper in your midst here, although that's not what my channel says anymore. Today I am the Bassmeister. Why? Well, back in 2010 when I started this thing, my idea was to just put up all the videos of all the ideas that I had into one channel. Back then I was also interested in like Nerf and guns and military and stuff like that. And I would say that since then, my interest and vision for the future have gone through some serious refinement. So now I can categorize the time that I spend on two things: music and filmmaking. Currently, filmmaking goes on my Real Christian Media channel, link, which I have been doing for a little while, so nothing's going to change there. But the music is supposed to go here on Sniper in Your Midst, but what is now the Bassmeister. So I've changed the name of my channel to reflect the change in interest. Now, I've always been a big music listener, like always, my whole life. But until recently, I hadn't been much of a big music maker, which is what I really want to be. And so I've been learning drums and bass, and so I've been doing those covers that you've seen. And I want to continue to make those. Those are really fun to make. But I've also been wanting to learn how to record music. And I've been working on recording electric instruments. That's what my equipment is capable of at the moment. Like electric bass, electric guitar, things like that. And then hopefully eventually work up to getting acoustic instruments, such as like trumpet and violin and things like that. And then also vocals. And that's kind of what I want the primary focus of this channel to be now, is music, which will include covers and songs that I create and record with my equipment, and I'll put them up here, and then also music videos, and I'll explain why that won't go on Real Christian Media in a minute. At the same time, this is my personal channel, so there'll be videos that'll go here that can't go on Real Christian Media for one reason or another. Example would be video effects tests or other random funny videos that I make that aren't real projects, so to speak. I might also put things here that have copywritten material in them, generally music, that the owners have allowed their use on YouTube. Now, one could argue that this is still technically violating copyright. However, YouTube has a system in place that allows copyright holders, usually record labels, to detect when their stuff is being used in a video and what to do about it. Most of these copyright holders will simply allow you to have their stuff in your video. You just acknowledge the copyright, you're good to go. Some of them, however, require that you have ads in front of your videos. These are added automatically. And worst case scenarios, you either get your audio blocked, or if you're even really unlucky, the whole video is blocked. And in which case, you have to take it down. There's absolutely nothing you can do about that. Well, okay, actually there is, but I'm not going to tell you how to do that. Since they can block something, but choose not to, I interpret that as permission to use their stuff. But if they so much as put ads on any video I put up, I'm going to pull that sucker out fast. Because if they decide they need to add ads to a video or something, that secretly means that they don't really want me to use their stuff, and I'm going to respect that. But with Real Christian Media, I need to be able to distribute and display my work without any limitations at all. So I work really hard to make sure that I own the rights or have the proper licenses. That's why I say I can't do music videos on Real Christian Media, because I'm using the YouTube system to determine whether I can use it or not. I'm not getting any rights or any kind of license or anything like that, so I can't pass it off as my own. It's just a fun video that I make for YouTube. That said, any songs that I make or songs my friends make that I get permission, I can make music videos for those and put them on Real Christian Media, because they're my work that I got the proper rights or licenses or whatever for. So now the other thing I want to mention before I stop yammering and finally make some videos is I got a new camera. It's a new one this time with a warranty and all that swag. And it's still got that 60 frames progressive thing that I absolutely love, which allows me to do things such as this. It also has Wi-Fi, so I can use an app on my phone to control it remotely, like zoom and record and not record and things like that. And it's got all these other fancy bells and whistles that I absolutely like. So I have absolutely no excuse to blame equipment for any delays in videos ever again. So, quick recap. The channel Sniper in Your Midst has been renamed to the Bassmeister to reflect a change in the focus of the videos I'll be putting here, which is primarily music. my quote-unquote real projects will still be going to Real Christian Media. So if you're subbed to this channel, make sure you're subbed to Real Christian Media so you can see all the stuff that I put on YouTube. And I got a new camera, so hopefully the days of, no videos for really long stretches of time are finally over. So have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This is Sniper in Your Midst, signing out.